Today is Thursday. Unit rate. Homework is just the front. Remember, I always try to post the video so you can see what the homework is all about. We're going to start in our notebooks and then we'll transition to other things. But two dash unit rate. Does anybody know from 6th grade what is unit rate? Does anybody remember from 6th grade what is unit rate?
Nope. I learned that in 6th grade. But do I remember? Nah.
Okay, unit rate is, this might not make sense to you for today or right now, but it will by the end of the period. Unit rate is when you find the one of something. Okay, the one in quotation marks. The one of something. Okay, so for example, I have a perfect example in the back of it. So I went to Costco and bought this box of chips. Okay. So anyway, I bought this box of chips. It has 14 bags. Let's say I paid, let's make it easy, $14 for it. So I bought this box for $14. Okay? The unit rate is finding one of something. So I want to know what? Exactly. So the whole box costs $14. But unit rate is, well, what's the cost of one Kalani bag? It's false advertising. It's false advertising. Fooled you, ha. So, yeah, no. What if I accidentally hit you? Terrible. So if the whole box is $14 and there's 14 bags, right here, 14 bags, how much would one bag cost? $1. You just found unit rate. So unit rate is what's the cost of one item? $1. $1 for this situation, right? Also, like at Costco, you would buy all the water bottles, right? All the big pack of water bottles. That's like, let's say $5. But how much does one water bottle cost?
$1.
It's less than $1. If you do the math, each water bottle is less. But you turn around and you buy it for at least $1, right? Like Miss Mean sells it for $1. Or the vending machine sells it for more than $1, right?
Oh, yeah.
Exactly. But the unit rate, if you buy the big pack, is less. If you ever bought a water bottle at the vending machine in Costco, it's 25 cents.
A water? What?
In Costco. Vending machine. The next time you go to Costco and you're passing by the vending machines, 25 cents. All right. What math did you guys do when finding unit rate? What math did you guys do to tell me it's $1? Divide. Very good, Armando. You're dividing. You're dividing. When you're finding unit rate, you're going to divide. Okay? So let's just practice some division together before we get to do the actual real problem. So we're going to have some division problems. Okay? Let's say I have 23 divided by 2. Okay? So division without a calculator, division with decimals, it's okay. I'm going to guide you through it right now. Does 2 go into 2?
1.
Yes. So we put the 1. Now, easiest thing is make sure you line it up. Okay. What's 1 times 2?
2.
2. Okay. We get a remainder of 0. And then what?
3.
Bring down the 3. So how many times does 2 go into 3?
2.
1. Notice I put it on top of that 3. What's 1 times 2?
1.
1 times 2?
I'm at 2.
2. I have a remainder of
1.
1. Okay. Okay, we're going to run into the situation. What's next?
Zero.
Decimal and 0. So when you run out of numbers, I ran out of purple numbers. So what you do is you're going to add a 0 at the end, but as soon as you add a 0 at the end, you add a decimal. So as soon as you run out of numbers, you're going to add a decimal. Raul, put that on the floor. Then you're going to bring down the 0. So I don't have 1, I have 10. How many times does 2 go into 10? 5 times.
It's 11.5.
Yes, so my answer would be 11.5.
Oh.
Okay? You learned this somewhere long ago. We're going to need it today. All right, let's try another one. Again, we're just practicing some long division before we head into the real math. All right. You're only going to improve on your division skills if you try it with me. Okay? You're not just writing and copying, but you're trying. Okay. So you take the first number, right? Does 3 go into 2?
No.
No. So what do? I can add a 0 here to tell you that it doesn't go into it. Now I'm going to move my finger over. Okay, how many times does 3 go into 29?
3 times.
Huh?
3 times.
That's 3 times 3.
Oh, wait.
9. Because 9 times 3? Okay, so I'm going to put that 9 on top of this one. 9 times 3 is 27. Division is really multiplying. Okay, what's my remainder? 2. Okay, I ran out of blue numbers. Once you run out of blue numbers, what do? Add a decimal and a 0. A decimal at the end as soon as you run out of numbers, and a 0, and we bring it down to make 20. We don't just put this number on the top. We convert it into 20. How many times does 3 go into 20?
Like
6. 6 goes into 3. 6 times 3 is 18. What's our remainder?
2.
Oh, what's going to keep happening?
It repeats.
A repeating decimal. Does anybody know what to do with the repeating decimal?
Just add a 6 and then a line. Add another 6 and then a line.
I don't even have to add a 6. I could just do that. You can even just have one number and add a bar. Okay? So, as long as you know that it repeats, as soon as you know that it repeats, doesn't matter how many numbers you write, that line tells you that it's going to repeat forever. Very good, Geo. That's not having anything on their iPad, right? We're just, okay, cool. Got scared for a sec. I got scared. Let's see. Let's try 78 divided by 5. Okay? Take one number at a time. Cover up. It's just 7. How many times does 5 go into 7? 1. So I put it on top. What's 1 times 5?
2. I meant 5.
5. Our remainder is 2. Bring down the 8.
5. Yeah, 5.
5 goes on the top. What's 5 times 5?
25.
My remainder is 3. I ran out of numbers. Decimal. 0. Now I got 30. How many times 5 go into 30? 6. So my answer is 16.6. Good? All right, let's do one more on your own. Let's do 18 divided by 4. Try it out. Do not be scared of the long division. You're going to need a lot of it. How many times does 4 go into 1? 0. So You were helping out Kevin. All right.
Yes, all today.
Yeah, all today.
Yes.
Kids, come on. All right. Okay, Gael, what'd you get for this answer? Yep. Very good, Gael. 4 gives you 16. Remainder 2. Decimal 0. Bring it down. You got 20. And that's 5. 4.5. All right. Now, we have a proportions packet. So, we will be completing this packet over like 3 weeks. You're still going to get the same amount of work. Instead of giving you one worksheet a day doing front and back, I just put it into a packet. The number one thing that you are tested on like the SBAC and the MAP, is proportions in 7th grade. Proportions is a big deal in 7th grade. You started learning proportions in 6th grade, and we continue here in 7th grade. All right, so let's put your name. You need to bring this packet every day to class. Okay. Oh, wow. That's counted by a lot. This is, you're good, right? You guys got one? Okay. All right. So, okay. You know how I said unit rate is finding one of something? Now, before you start, please pay attention to me. I'm going to teach you something that you're going to need. And you're going to need a lot of it later on when these problems get hard. All right, let's look at number 1. 4 graph notebooks cost $12. What is the cost per notebook? So this second part tells you everything. Tells you what to do. That second part. Okay. Now, what does the word per notebook mean? What does the word per mean?
Like each.
Each? One. Very good. So what is the cost per one notebook? So this word means one, which is the most important word of the day today. Per is the most important word because it tells you what you're solving for. So when you divide, please pay attention to me. I know the answer is 3. I'm not worried about the answer. I'm worried about when these get harder, what are you going to think of? Okay. Does everybody understand why it says one notebook? Because it says per. Per means one. Okay. When you read it and you identify what you're solving for, the one, I'm solving for one notebook. Whatever that one is going to go outside. So it says one notebook, so that's going to go outside. Please pay attention. Don't go ahead of me, Sienna. This is the most important part. Not the answer of 3. Not the answer of 3, but notebooks will go outside. Why does the word notebook go outside? Because we're solving for one notebook. When these problems get harder, you're going to rely on this, the one. What am I solving for? One notebook. So notebook goes outside. Does that make sense now? Okay. Now read the first sentence. 4 graph notebooks cost $12. So which of these two numbers is going to go outside?
4.
Why?
Because it's a little.
No!
How many there are?
Why?
Because
Yes, it's notebooks. Not because it's the littlest number. Not because it's the smallest, because sometimes that's not right. And you're going to traumatize me. Now I just ruined my iron shirt. Okay. So, because it's 4 notebooks, that means that the 4 goes outside. What's the other number? 12. That goes inside. So sometimes the bigger number goes outside. So don't always say it's a smaller number. Now, how many times does 4 go into 12? 3. Now, our answer is 3. Our answer is 3, right? But 3, what does 3 mean? Well, what are you solving for?
$3 per notebook.
Dude, I love it. What is the cost per one notebook? It literally tells you what you're solving for.
$3.
Continue.
$3 per notebook.
So $3 per notebook. When I grade, I am going to look for the whole statement, not just 3. My answer is 3, Miss O'Malley. fantastic, but you didn't write it in a statement. $3 per notebook. That's what I'm going to give you points for. A lot of points, too. All right. Let's look at number 3 here. Go to number 3. Little Mario Brothers right there. 3 video games cost $195. What is the cost per video game? What are we solving one of? One what?
Video game.
One video game. So that means one video game. So when I set up my division problem, what number goes outside? The video game number. The video game number. So you read the question again. What number is associated, goes with video games? So read it again. Which number goes with video games?
195.
Is dollars. The 195 is dollars. Not video games. I'm looking for the number that goes with video games. What number goes with video games? 3. Because it says 3 video games. So that means that the number 3 goes outside. What number goes inside?
195.
All right. Now let's try out your division skills. Keep going. Oh, keep going. How many times does 3 go into 19? 6 times 3. Remainder 1. Bring down the 5. How many times does 3 go into 15? 5. Okay. Cool. Your answer is 65. Am I going to give you credit for that?
65 per video game.
65 per?
Not notebook, video game.
$65 with the dollar sign in the front per
Video game.
video game. Got it? First thing, set up your division problem correctly. Second thing, divide correctly. And then third thing, put it in a statement, a complete statement. Okay, let's see what we can do with this. I'm scared. Can I go now? Can I leave? Can I leave?
Miss, I could.
Good.
Can I leave?
Just,
Should I do all of them or just the Vanessa?
what?
Yeah, Miss.
This.